using the bi-directional converter, the decimator.
Hiyo part yako utarudia. Hi guys, it's How To Wednesday. I'm Mary and with me is Yasin.
Today I'm going to show you how to convert your feed from HDMI to SDI and SDI to HDMI using the decimator bi-directional converter.
Yes, so let's get to it. Right here we have the Blackmagic Video Assist, which is going to be our HDMI monitor. Here we have the Blackmagic SmartView 4K, which is going to be our SDI monitor. We have two HDMI cables, two SDI cables. We have our decimator, the bi-directional converter right here. And we have two camera sources, the studio camera and the pocket. Yes, so Yasin?
So let's start with the connection. So I'm going to remove our decimator. We're going to do the HDMI to SDI first. So this is where the power cord is.
Yeah.
This is the normal USB. This is the power adapter here. Sorry. And this is the decimator, the bi-directional one.
Yeah.
So we're going to fix this first. So our connection for this conversion, we have our feed from the camera using the HDMI cable, which comes to the decimator over here to the input side. Then it comes out through the SDI cable to the monitor. As you can see on the monitor, we have converted this feed from HDMI to SDI, and it is HD. Yeah. So now we're going to do from SDI to HDMI conversion. So I'm going to take another HDMI cable, remove from the output to the input of the monitor. Then you take SDI from the camera out to the decimator in. So as you can see, this is the feed that is converted. Our connection is SDI from the camera to the decimator, then converted to HDMI from the decimator to the monitor. Yeah, and also on this decimator, it has some writings that indicate different signals. Like for orange, which means that there is no signal. There is an orange light here, somewhere here, there is a light. So if it is orange, it means there is no signal. If it is green, it means either the feed is HD or 3G, or if it is red, the feed is SD.
Yes guys, that's how you convert your video signal using the decimator bi-directional converter. It's actually not that complicated. Yes, Yasin?
Yes. And if you have any question, you can just ask it on the comment section below.
Yes.
And one of us will just reply.
Yes. Also, if you need to purchase any of this equipment, remember we have all of them on our website. That is www.highwayav.co.ke. Until next time. Bye.